Good morning. Thank you for this opportunity to present how we use our machine learning technology Assay Central for COVID-19 drug discovery. After well over 150 years of existence, the global pharmaceutical industry continually needs to innovate and discover new drugs to keep their pipeline flowing. We've obviously seen with COVID-19 that we do not have antivirals ready to go for the next outbreak. In parallel, the consumer product industry is dealing with increasing regulations around the health effects of their ingredients, and they need to identify which ones require toxicology testing. We're also at a tipping point for availability of biological data, computing resources, and software that can be used for machine learning. I'm Sean Eakins, the CEO and founder of the company. I have over 24 years experience in computational drug discovery, including using machine learning for ADME-Tox. I've worked for both large and small pharma companies. Then I founded this company in 2015 to build on my experience. We currently have an agile team of 10 chemists and biologists hired from local universities and 3 labs here on the Centennial campus in Raleigh. We've been able to file several patents and trademarks, as well as obtain 8 orphan drug designations and 1 rare disease designation from the FDA. Collaborations Pharma is a unique company as we do not have VC or angel funding as yet. We have complete control of the direction we take and the projects we decide to take on. We just focus on getting quality results. Our independence and vast collaborator network allows us to work on any project, from antivirals for Ebola, hepatitis B, and acute flaccid myelitis, to rare diseases such as Batten disease, CLN1, which affects approximately 20 children currently in the US and is fatal. We deploy our machine learning algorithms alongside our drug discovery experience to help discover and develop molecules for rare and neglected diseases. We also provide fee-for-service consulting to others. Our sweet spot is early-stage hit-to-lead optimization. We generally address very tough challenges related to ADME-Tox, as well as curate data sets our clients may need. We do all of the steps from curation of data through to experiments in vitro in our own labs. In the process, we've been able to build a vast array of thousands of models and data sets. These can be used to screen libraries of molecules and select compounds for testing in vitro or in vivo. Our machine learning software uses Git as our database to store molecules and data, and we're using similar techniques from programming and putting them to good use for cheminformatics. We've used our machine learning approach with tens of academic industrial collaborators to date. And we have initially focused on using Bayesian machine learning algorithms, but we've also performed comparisons with support vector machine and deep learning, showing that they're comparable. One of our most recent applications of the technology was with our intern from Brazil. Victor worked with us through the pandemic to model all the data coming from around the globe to predict compounds likely to show any activity in vitro against the virus. In the process, he picked several compounds to test, and we confirmed their activity and identified possible targets. This slide shows our brief video of Assay Central in action and demonstrates how it can be used for COVID-19 drug discovery. We can literally wrap up models to share with collaborators, just like this example. This shows how we can select and analyze model statistics and the ROC plot that's created from the model. We can filter models by tagged categories, and we can also make predictions by simply dragging in a file of molecule structures into the app. We can select models to score the compounds with, and then we can use atom highlighting to show the important features relating to activity. Finally, we can visualize the honeycomb plots to show the nearest neighbors of molecules in the training set and the test set. And this allows us to see test set compounds in black versus actives in green and inactives in white. Once we're done, we can also download and export our predictions to other file formats. Simple as that. We have a number of client use cases. Multiple clients have been our customers over several years, 2 of which are large consumer product companies. We've engaged with them primarily to work on endocrine disruption prediction. We've also worked with a large rare disease company and delivered models and compounds that we've proposed for synthesis in order to improve ADME properties and retain their biological activity. Finally, we're working with a CRO to use the animal data to derive models to predict disease phenotypes. A common thread between all these groups is the close relationship we have and constant collaboration. Many of the projects we've worked on have been supported by the NIH or DoD grants, and the NIGMS in particular has funded Assay Central, and we kindly acknowledge the NC Department of Commerce for their considerable support to date. I provided a brief overview today of my company and how we apply Assay Central to drug discovery. If you'd like further information on our technologies and capabilities, please get in touch. Thank you.